This jump demonstration shows how to create a CUSUM control chart on individual data. We're using the engine temperature sensor data from the sample data library. Let's begin by going to Analyze, Quality and Process, Control Chart, CUSUM Control Chart. Y goes in the Y role, then I'll click OK. We're presented with a CUSUM control chart using the mean of the data as the target and the sample standard deviation of the data as sigma. Both statistics, C+ and C- are displayed on the chart. We can change the target and sigma values to reflect our process requirements. I'll enter 100 for target and 10 for sigma. The upper half of the CUSUM chart indicates an upward shift in the process mean, beginning at row 27.